Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table for portable bandsaw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the bandsaw stand portable table for DeWalt bandsaw. If you're seeking a versatile portable bandsaw table that's compatible with multiple major brands while offering industrial-grade stability, the DeWalt bandsaw stand delivers exceptional value. This silver gray powder-coated metal stand works with DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and other leading brands. With a 220-pound weight capacity and triangular leg design, it'll handle your toughest cutting jobs. You'll appreciate the quick 15-minute setup with included tools and hardware. The stand features mounting holes for workbench attachment and miter gauge compatibility. At just 5 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for professional use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Swag Off-Road Portaband table. The Swag Off-Road Portaband table stands out as a versatile solution for metalworkers and craftsmen who need a reliable mounting platform for their portable band saws. You'll find it's compatible with major brands including Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, and Harbor Freight Bauer. Built with heavy-duty steel in the USA, this table features a robust cast metal platform with pre-drilled holes for easy mounting. You'll get a Velcro belt to secure your saw trigger, and you can add bolt-on legs if needed. While some users report tricky hole alignment and outdated instructions, most praise its sturdy performance for cutting knife blanks and tubing when properly clamped. At number 3, we have the portable band saw stand for DeWalt. Professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile band saw stand will find the DeWalt band saw stand particularly appealing. It's compatible with major brands including DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and several others, supporting over 20 different models. You'll appreciate the stand's robust alloy steel construction, supporting up to 220 pounds. The triangular table legs and lock nut design guarantee stability during operation. Installation takes just 15 minutes, with all necessary accessories included. At 13LX10WX9H, it's compact yet functional. While most users praise its sturdy build and easy assembly, some report hardware compatibility issues with specific models. The powder-coated finish and smooth edges enhance safety and durability. At number 2, we have the band saw stand for Milwaukee band saw. Metalworkers seeking enhanced precision with their Milwaukee portable band saws will appreciate this purpose-built stand's versatility. You'll find it compatible with multiple Milwaukee models, including the 6232 series, 6238 series, BS125, and M18 Fuel series. Installation takes just 15 minutes using the included hardware and tools. The triangular leg design with lock nuts guarantees stability, while the powder-coated finish and rounded edges prioritize safety. You can mount it directly to your workbench through the table feet holes, and it'll support up to 220 pounds of weight. A 1-year warranty backs the stand's quality construction. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mini Milling Machine Work Table Vise. Hobbyist craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate the Drillin Mini Milling Machine Work Table Vise's versatile design. This 1.79 kilograms aluminum alloy unit features 3 T-slots and a dovetail slot for precise adjustments. With dimensions of 310 mm x 90 mm and a height of 80 mm, it's compact yet sturdy enough for light projects. You'll find the hand wheel offers detailed control, with one rotation moving 1.25 mm and each lattice representing 0.05 mm. While it's rated for 1,500 pounds tensile strength, be aware that some users report stability issues during operation. It's best suited for basic drilling and light milling tasks rather than precision work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.